Boys and girls, welcome to another video. So this is a subtraction review. Prime time, regrouping is on my mind. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So here we have 5-digit by 5-digit subtraction with regrouping. So I'm going to model step by step how to do this problem. The first step before you subtract anything is you got to figure out if regrouping is needed. Now in subtraction, we regroup whenever a bigger number, we regroup whenever the number on the bottom is bigger than the number on the top. So before I subtract any of the numbers, I'm going to check for that. I'm going to go through each column and I'm going to see, is there a number on the bottom that's bigger than the number on the top? So starting in the 10,000ths place, 2 is bigger than 1, that works. No regrouping needed there. 0 is not bigger than 1. 1 is bigger than 0. We can't start with 0 and take away 1. So we do need to regroup in the thousands place. In the hundreds place, again, the bottom number is bigger. You can't start with 0 and take away 8. So we're going to need to regroup in the hundreds place as well. In the tens place, 8 is bigger than 1. You can't take away 8 if you only have 1 to start with. So we got to regroup in the tens place as well. In the ones place, we do not need to regroup. We have a 5. 5 is the top number, 5 is the bottom number, and we do not need to regroup when the numbers are the same. If the top number is the same as the bottom number, or if it's more, we don't need to regroup. We only regroup when the bottom number is bigger. So we do have to regroup in some areas. So I'm going to start in the 10,000ths place. The 2 in the 10,000ths place is going to become a 1 because we have to take a 10 from the 10,000ths place and we have to add that to the thousands place. So the 0 becomes a 10. The 2 becomes a 1. Eight's bigger than 0, so we have to take a 10 now from the thousands place. So whenever the number on the top is smaller, what we have to do is we have to add 10 and we take away 1 from the previous column. So the 0 is going to become a 10. Now we have to take away 1 from the previous column. That 10 is going to become a 9. Now in the tens place, the 1 is going to become an 11. And the 10 is going to also become a 9. We always take 10 and we subtract 1. That's how we regroup. So let me move the 11 over a little bit because I don't want us to get confused as to where it belongs. So now I'm going to go through, make sure the top number is the same or bigger than the bottom number for each digit and each place value. So 1 minus 1, that works. 9 is bigger than 1. 9 is bigger than 8. 11 is bigger than 8. Here the numbers are the same, so it works. Everything on all the top numbers are either the same or bigger than all the bottom numbers. So now we can start subtracting. So I'm going to start in the ones place. When we get to the subtraction itself, we always start in the ones place. We can regroup from left to right, but we always subtract from right to left. So starting in the ones place, 5 minus 5 equals 0. 11 minus 8 equals 3. 9 minus 8 equals 1. 9 minus 1 equals 8. 1 minus 1 equals 0. And the 0, we can just, it's understood that when there's nothing there, we can just, we could put a 0 in front of the 8, but we don't have to. It won't change the number's value. I'm just going to leave it blank. All right. So we have our final answer here. 20,015 minus 11,885 equals 8,130. So that is my video for today. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And if you have a question, put it in the comments. And if there's another area in math or reading that you're having difficulty with, leave that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. All right, that is my video for today, and I will see you all later.